Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to pull the prank on our children. We're going to hide a real budgie somewhere and we're going to put the fake one in the cage. And then we're going to watch children's reaction to this prank. So let's get started. Have you fed your birdie recently?
Yeah.
Where is he? Oh, it's there. Hello.
Hello, Tiddles.
Hello, Tiddles.
Hello.
Tiddles.
Started nicely. Okay.
Veronica, is he moving?
Yeah. I'm just not moving.
He looks alright. Yeah, he looks okay there. Fine.
Careful because the flower. What happened to him, Nunku? Is he not flying off? Why?
He's dead.
Dead?
Oh, what are you talking about?
Oh. Tiddles? Dorian! It wasn't real, it was just a fake one. You holding them in your hands.
There he is. There he is. This could be my
Budgie attack! Budgie attack! Budgie! So as you can see, guys, we actually pulled a little prank on Veronica and Dorian, pretending that was a real budgie, but it's not. It's a soft toy. Dorian, he was so scared. He loves Tiddles. That's why he was crying, because he thought it was a real one. He died. Oh, it was just a prank. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. See you soon.